welcome to our channel, This Teaching Mama. Bago sa takaroon Kayla, what are we going to do?
Open books.
Yeah, we will show them these books that Mama bought from a thrift store sa Facebook. So this is like the 4th or 5th time na nagpalit ko sa ilaha because fun siya, cheap compared to brand new books. Pero nice man po di hapon siya. Nice pa ang iyahang itsura. So pwede pa jud siya magamit sa akong mga anak. So today we have lots of books. We have 3 board books. This one, Christmas is Here. 180 pesos na siya each. Noah's Big Boat and Arthur Ghost. We have some small board books. Napoy dili board books. So we have this My Little Pony, Pinkie Pie. I think mga 50 pesos below ni siya or 40 to 70 pesos ang price range each. Holiday Hippo Boat, Silver Slippers, The Big Red Stop Sign, Dora Goes for a Ride, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, and saan siya Kayla?
Little Bell.
Little Bell. First book that we are going to show you is this reindeer, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Can you show us? Yeah, this one. Sumurag 50 pesos below lang ni siya ang presyo. Can you show us the pages, Kayla?
Small pa siya.
Sige daw, ipakita.
Nagko na siya.
So this is a board book. Nice pa kaayo iyahang quality.
Kanaaman na nagko na sila.
We'll read this later.
Nag-bendy mo na sila. They look like bendies.
Yeah, your toy.
Yes, my
Ring.
toy.
Sige daw, ipakita daw one by one.
Like this one, oh. The same.
The next book, Kayla.
This one.
What is it called? The Big Red Stop Sign. Sige, show us the pages of the book. So this is Clifford. Do you remember Nanay Tonet's stuffed toy in her living room? Katong red dog ba?
Keep running. There's your wait, mommy.
Tired na daw siya, so Mama will just continue the book haul. So this one is a Little Bill storybook, A Snowy Day. So nindot siya. It's a flip book. Saan siya? Flaps to lift. So na siya surprise. It's kinda interactive. May flaps na abrihan. Open ang kids. Book na siya damaged rin. So murag 40 pesos below lang na siya. So it's very cheap. Nice hapon. So there are Dora Goes for a Ride. So another board book, nindot to kay siya. So ang damage diri lang sa itawag ani diri yung pipita. This is the last board book, small board book. It's about My Little Pony. Pinkie Pie Throws a Party. You like Pinkie Pie, Kyla?
Yes. Naman si Pinkie Pie diya.
Kana mo na si Pinkie Pie.
Muna siya? Kaya mo na si Pinkie
She
Pie.
looks different in this book,
Oh.
unlike in the cartoon.
Kasi
in
siya.
Netflix. think that's Rarity.
Very different man gapon si Rarity.
Yeah, they have very big bright eyes.
Wala man si Twilight Sparkle diya.
Yeah, because it's not about Twilight Sparkle. This is about Pinkie Pie. And that's it. I think, do you like this book?
Yeah.
Slippers. It's about a ballet dancer, Kyla. Are you a ballet dancer?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Yeah, you like pretending to be a
This is
ballet
Butter.
dancer.
This is Butter.
Oh,
She's
cute. Nice and
And this
illustration.
is one mini painter. Butter and painter.
And then we have this large board books that have flaps to lift. So interactive siya. So Kyla likes reading this. We had this last month. So dugay na nako ni siya gipamalit. Karon lang nako na share. Nahuna-hunaan na mag-book haul na po. This is a book about Arthur. This is entertaining for kids. Noah's Big Book. This is another Lift the Flap book.
This is the school poet.
Numbers, you can read,
Cherry balloons.
you count.
And this is this purple and pink.
Kanan kay ko.
It's butterfly. Butterfly.
And the last book in this book haul is Christmas Time is Here. So again, 180 pesos for
This is not-
kung brand new siguro.
not
Wala man
Pinkie
gibutan ang
Pie.
price ato ra.
This is not Pinkie
$9.
Pie, Mama.
So
This is
almost
not-
1,000.
Mama,
Oh.
this is not Pinkie Pie.
Who is that?
Daddy's one minute.
It says Pinkie Pie. Because she looks different from your toys. From the cartoons you are watching. So going back.
1 minute. Card. And sa maybe.
Nice. Na lang siya damaged. But
Card.
yeah, pwede na.
Ella. Ella
Since
money
this
sa
is
Ella money.
paan.
This is
That's it, everyone. Those were the books that we have bought from a thrift store in Facebook. So, Working Moms Management, MGT, o Management. And I think napod sila yung shopping store with the same name. So, muna siya kung ganahan sa pagpalit og mga books for my children. I have observed that Kyla can make her own stories just by looking at the pictures of the book. Kay ever since like she was a baby, I've been reading books to her a lot. And up until now, makita jud nako na she gets excited when I give or when I buy a new book for her. Kung brand new man or dili, they wouldn't mind. Basta they enjoy reading. So it's a bonding for us. It's a routine. Before going to bed, magbasa mi with his baby brother. So ito siya, makita na ako na it can develop their vocabulary and they can learn a lot from reading books and gives them a wide imagination because of the stories and facts that you can talk about just by reading books. So, busy na kayo siya, di na siya participate sa video Kay excited na siya. So that's it. Daghang salamat sa inyong pagtanaw. So we'll be sharing to you some book hauls in the future pag nanapod may mapalit na mga books. So mo lang to siya. Daghang salamat sa inyong pagtanaw. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe sa among channel nga This Teaching Mama. Bye-bye! See you next time! Bye-bye daw, Kayla!
Bye-bye!
You see it here on the video.
Bye-bye!